Your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. The home view tonight looking mighty fine for us. We've got plenty of sunshine, a mix of some partly cloudy sky, but overall a quiet evening across the board. Temperatures are up, they're toasty. All this frontal action that we're getting here across the state is stalling out, but we're not seeing much activity develop from that. There's a few showers across south central Kentucky, way down near the border. Everybody else maybe getting a little bit of the high cloud cover from that. Now, can't rule out a stray shower here or there the rest of tonight. Futurecast a little zealous on the one. That's in central Kentucky, but you can see a couple of bubble ups try to take place. I think for the most part it's going to be dry here this evening with another chance for some spotty activity tomorrow afternoon, but really like today, very, very hit or miss, even more so than what we had on Wednesday. Tomorrow, just a few spotty chances. As we go into our Saturday, things are going to clear out again. We actually have high pressure that's going to start to move in for us. It's going to keep anything moving our direction from the northwest out. So sunshine for you once again into the weekend, and it is going to be toasty compared to even what we had out there today. 89 so far for the high temp in Lexington, 93 Richmond, 91 Somerset, some mid to upper 80s in the mix too. But the next couple of days, 92, 93, 94, each day getting closer and closer to 100 plus with our heat index, especially on Saturday and Sunday. It'll likely feel over 100 for a good few hours, especially through the peak time in the afternoon. And this heat wave that's coming in, it's going to expand a little bit. I mean, we've been hot, but this is going to be a new little heat dome setting up for us just to our west. As it does, it still allows us to get into those low to mid 90s. Next Saturday through the Tuesday, we could be at 93, 94, 95, even a possibility for us. It's not until Wednesday and beyond that we're going to start to see some of that relief come through. We've got that heat dome moving back to the west as a cooler air mass digs south. Now, I don't know if we're going to completely tap into some substantially cooler temperatures, but I think some mid 80s with a little bit less humidity is going to go a long way for us as we go through next week. And with that, there are going to be some spotty storm chances again out ahead of it. Monday, we're going to see a chance for it later in the day. And then as that cooler air starts to slowly work in, we'll get some more chances Tuesday and Wednesday ahead of the overall change once we get to, again, the later parts of the week. So the 7-day forecast highlights that. We got a steamy stretch ahead, and the storm chances stay isolated until Thursday of next week.